Hey Techno viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you want a powerful speaker that can shake up your room so well, today I have something excited for you. This is Zebronics 2.1 speaker, model number BT2250RUF. It is the multi-function speaker, packed with features like Bluetooth, USB interface, FM radio, auxiliary input, and wall mountable. So stay tuned because I will not only unbox it but also test its real sound and performance. So let's start the video. So let's unbox. Inside the box, we get the main subwoofer unit, which feels very quite solid and sturdy, and it has two satellite speakers, as you can see, with this auxiliary wires. So with a compact yet stylish design and also a remote control for easy operation, and a user manual and a warranty cards, some necessary cables for connection, that's it. Talking about its design and build quality, it's not too much premium or too much excellent. It's okay, good quality, not bad or not so good excellent. And the subwoofers you can see here, it is with control buttons and a front panel. Two satellite speakers and a compact, have a smooth black matte finish body, and also has a display panel that shows modes like FM radio, Bluetooth, etc. The key features that makes this speakers quite interesting: it has of channel sound system, deep bass with two satellite speakers, multiple connectivity. As you can see on the back, it has a power on off button, and this is the power cable here, and is of audio input and audio output. We have to insert this two satellite speakers here, so for the sound of the speakers. It also has a USB port here, and here's some control unit. It is a mode. To use this button for changing the mode, and this button is for increasing and decreasing the volume. This small knob for bass, full function remote for easy access. The quality of remote is okay, not so too much good and all. We have to just insert the battery cells here, and it is ready to go. And the Bluetooth is of BT 5.0. Now step by step I will show you the full installation and setup segment. So firstly, plug this power cable. Now connect this satellite speakers to your subwoofer. Connect here and on the buttons. Now we can see the RGB lightning here. Now select your desired mode, that is of Bluetooth, USB and auxiliary or FM. Now it is on auxiliary mode. You can change by using this button. Now it's time for most exciting part, that is sound test. Now let's check the sound performance. Now I will change to Bluetooth mode. We will connect to our mobile. First, on the Bluetooth mode, you can find here Zebronics. Now let's play some music. As you have here guys, the sound quality is very excellent. I totally impressed with this loud speakers. The bass is very punchy and the sound is very loud for a medium sized room also, and the bass lovers will really enjoy this one. The vocals are clear and highs don't distort much at high volume. Works well for music and parties, for any occasions, movies, even gaming also guys. I'm really impressed with these speakers. So if you're looking for a budget friendly speaker, so this is 2.1 Zebronics speaker that's picked with features and delivers strong bass. The Zebronics BT2250RUF is definitely worth considering. So if you enjoyed this video guys, please like this video and share it, and surely subscribe to our channel for more unboxing and honest reviews, and tell me in the comments what should I review next, and do you like this sound performance and all. So please comment me, I will reply. Thanks for watching.